Hello everyone, myself Tibin Alex Mendes. Today I am going to explain my design report about automated temperature and light sensing system. For this project, I am using the Arduino Uno as my microcontroller. And for the temperature sensing, I am using a temperature and humidity sensor. To display this temperature and humidity as well, I am using a 16:2 LCD display. And finally, for the light sensing, I'm using a LDR, which is called light dependent resistor. LDR works in such a way that when there is high intensity of light, LDR will give a high resistance. When there is low light or low intensity of light, LDR give a low resistance. And for the temperature sensing, we are also adding three LEDs. One is green, next one is yellow, the final one is red. The green one stands for the below temperature that is less than 25 degrees Celsius, and the yellow one stands for the average temperature between 25 and 34, and finally the red one, that one stands for the high temperature, normally above 34 degrees Celsius. And we are also added one more LED, which is to represent the light sensing using the LDR. When we cut off the light in this LDR, this LED will be glowing. When there is sufficient light around it, that LED won't be glowing at all. By this means, we can automate our light system in our home, industries, and in many places as well. So I'm going to start with the temperature sensor. Before that, I'm just going to show the program for this sensing total sensing, and this is our total program for the Arduino. And now I'm going to present the temperature sensor. Now the temperature is 22 degrees Celsius. Now I'm going to heat the temperature sensor. Now it's around 26 degrees Celsius, and we can see that now the yellow one glows, and I'm now going to heat further. Now it's 36 degrees Celsius. Now we can see that the red one is glowing. Now I am going to cooling it down to the normal temperature using the air cooler. I have already cooled down the temperature sensor. Now it's in green stage. And for the final thing, I am going to use the LDR sensor. Now we can see the LDR sensor having the light from all around, and which shows this LED is not glowing at the moment, and I am going to block its light using a paper. And we can see that when we block the light around the LDR sensor, the LED is glowing, and when there is no sufficient light, the LED is glowing, and when there is enough light, LED is not glowing. Yeah, so that's how we can sense the absence of light and temperature. So we can use it in many homely and industrial applications as well. That's all for our project. Thank you.